guys, it's MACAO and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys how I attempted my first time ever knotless box braids. Chunky knotless box braids. And this is what I ended up with. This is how I ended up styling my hair because somebody has been having a field day with my hair, and so I didn't want to cause any breakage because he is grabbing my hair. So I just did this little bun up, and you know, because I have the forehead situation, I did a little side bang here, and I like them. I really do like them. It took me back to my beginner days of watching Natural 85, Ambrosia, and what's their name? Minnie Marley and Alicia James. Okay, those are my OGs when it comes to natural hair, and I really do like them. Now in the video I do explain how I did my hair. Okay, correction. Okay, let's clear this up. This is not a tutorial, right? So if you need a tutorial, you need to go to somebody else's video. This is just showing you the process of what I figured out in order to install these braids on myself. Okay, I need to make that clear. This is not what? What isn't this? Huh? A tutorial. No tutorial here. This is just sharing with you guys how I attempted this hairstyle, and it worked for me. But I will say this, I ended up using the braid formula product to braid my hair together, which I love. And as you guys can see, I don't have no white buildup. It's not flaking. Like, it looks really, really good. It has a hold, but it's not like old school Murray's kind of hold, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I bought 5 bags of hair because I'm a newbie, so I didn't know how many bags of hair I would need. I only ended up using a bag of hair that had 4 bundles and 1 bundle from another bag. So I'm just like, to be honest, it kind of looks like my natural hair, just thicker, or before my hair fell out after I had the baby during postpartum hair loss. So enough said, let's get into the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs this video up. Yes. I gotta change my battery now. Thanks, guys. The products that I got some Expression 38-inch hair. This is Kanekalon hair, so it's not human hair, it's Kanekalon hair. I got 5 packs because I didn't want to run out. For products, depending on how my hair performs, I picked this braid formula up, and then I picked up this edge booster, only because I'm pretty familiar with this product, but I've seen a lot of videos use this product. I know some people like to use jam. I'm not a fan of jam. I don't like the way it makes my scalp very itchy. So that's why I opt to do something different. And then I'm just going to use like a rat tail comb. And then I have like this rat tail brush, but I think it's called a tease brush. I'm kind of excited. In my mind, I have a vision. But most of the time when I do stuff like that, I notice that my hair ends up turning out completely different than what I imagined. So we're going to wish me luck, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead. All right. So clearly I've done 90% of my hair, but it's okay because with the baby, I can't really do too much. So I had to take a lot of breaks, and it was just a hot mess. So getting into how I installed my box braid, I add some moisturizer to the mid and ends of my section here, and then I'm going to proceed with some of that braid formula, put it around the perimeter of my section, and then I'm going to follow up with my rat tail comb so that I can gather all the hair to the middle of this particular section. This is going to help make your box braids look very professional, very neat, very sleek, which is the look that I was going for, as well as it just makes the process a lot easier and kind of helps your hair not get tangled when you're adding products. And my hair is thin. I have like thin strands but high density, so that just calls for a hot mess if I don't take my time with this particular process. Now, on to the Kanekalon hair. So I'm going to make these loops. These loops is going to help me to kind of like catch and hook. That's the term that I want to go with when I'm braiding. So just like a typical braid, we are going to take 3 sections, separate them evenly, because this also helps with the takedown process and helps you to prevent gathering, like taking hair from other sections. So I took this loop, this loop of Kanekalon hair, and I kind of like grabbed it, like pinched it with my other hand. And I'm going to do my first rotation with a plaque, and then I'm going to stop. Once I stop, I'm going to take another section or another piece of hair, make that loop, snag it with my other fingers. So I'm snagging it with my index and my thumb. And then I'm going to proceed and do another rotation of the braid. And then I'm going to stop again. And I'm going to keep doing this until I used up all the pieces of my Kanekalon hair. So for each chunky braid, I did 4 pieces of hair. Each piece was about the size of my pinky. Now, I have a little pinky. I don't know what your pinky looks like, but we'll say like maybe 7 millimeters worth of a size. Like that's probably how thick my pinky is. And then after I completed all that, then I continue to braid down. Now, in the process of me braiding down, I do comb through and add some of the braiding formula to help gather the hair, to make everything just melt, be seamless and neat as possible. So that's how I did that. And I'm going to go ahead and speed it up, and then you guys will just see how I do it in the next session. Okay, got it. So I am done with my hair, and I really do like it. It is giving natural braid out. I wish the hair that I had was a lot longer, but you know, learning curve. This is my first time doing these, chunky knotless braids, right? So I mean, parts are not 100%, and it feels really heavy. I don't know if y'all can see this, but this is the back. I put my sweater on because my hair is still wet and dripping, so I didn't want it to be like dripping all over me. But definitely with them being this length, I definitely need to curl the ends because it was giving raggedy end. So it is still kind of tight right now, but if I wanted to have a middle part, see, this is why I'm getting like coil ring. So I guess it just depends on like once I have my makeup and what I'm wearing, or I can pull that back if I wanted to. I definitely can pull them back, which is actually kind of cute. I could do a little pull back, which I'm actually kind of feeling this look, but we'll see. But for right now, I'm going to let them dry in place because they still are a little wet. This one is kind of annoying me. I really want to just fold it over like that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, there we go. We're just gonna fold it over. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch it and support me. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe as always. I will see y'all in the next one. Love you much.